HotTable is a registered trademark of professional patented heating tables designed by the acclaimed designer Arteco. The table base is made of chrome-coated aluminium or steel, so it's sturdy and scratch and dent resistant. The table tops are available in a range of different sizes and designs. The HotTable is an innovative product intended primarily for outdoor use, where there is need to keep people warm. HotTable is the leading global brand name in heating tables used in terraces, gardens and other outdoor sections of bars and restaurants. The key feature of every HotTable is its state-of-the-art infrared halogen heater, which produces a deep heating effect with a pleasant and comfortable feel. Thanks to the unique and patented automatic power regulation system, the HotTable is over 50% more efficient than any other heating equipment ever made. Power is regulated automatically, depending on the outside temperature. Owing to the smart power technology, the high-performance infrared halogen heater will keep your guests warm even in temperatures well below zero and up to 2 meters away from heating table. The HotTable's advanced technology enables 360-degree heating in all positions, with the automatic power regulation system monitoring and adjusting the heating intensity according to the ambient temperature, -30 to 20 degrees centigrade. The HotTable is very easy to use. The heater has 4 sections that heat in the 4 directions. Simply turn them on or off at a click of a button, or use a handy waterproof remote control. The HotTable heaters, which are integrated in the table leg, use infrared short-wave light to make your guests feel cozy and comfortable. The HotTable is extremely energy efficient and its running costs are up to 10 times lower than those of conventional gas heaters. This is mainly due to the automatic power regulation system, which adjusts the heating intensity to the ambient temperature. The HotTables can be used at temperatures ranging from -30 to 20 degrees centigrade. The HotTable heater is designed so as to prevent the risk of burns and ensure a long life expectancy of up to 5,000 operating hours. All HotTables can be remotely controlled. They are customizable and can be adapted to a variety of situations in which they are used. HotTables are silent, safe and energy and cost efficient, as they direct the heating exactly to where it's needed. Different models are available to suit a variety of different needs.